Hi, crypto fans. This is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at NiceHash. I am going to show you what the platform is all about, how their wallets work, and much more. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest whale to the moon coin. Let's get into it. NiceHash was founded in 2014, and this platform has more than 2.5 million users globally. The NiceHash team offers both an innovative mining platform with advanced algorithms, as well as an exceptional low-cost crypto exchange called NiceX. However, in this video, we will be focusing on NiceHash. The goal of NiceHash is to make mining simple, user-friendly, and accessible to anyone who's got the hardware to do it. However, you are not actually mining crypto with NiceHash. You are using the software to buy and sell computing power that is used for mining, and the whole marketplace uses Bitcoin, so payouts are also done in Bitcoin. All you need is an NVIDIA or AMD processor, and you can find a detailed breakdown of your potential earnings by scrolling down to the bottom of the homepage and clicking on Mining Hardware. There are dozens of mining pools you can join with NiceHash, and all you need to do is create an account, download the NiceHash legacy mining software, and join a mining pool. To see the available mining pools, scroll down to the bottom of the homepage and click on Compatible Pools. If you don't know what Hashpower is, it is a computational resource that describes the power that your computer or hardware uses to run and solve different cryptocurrency proof-of-work hashing algorithms. NiceHash connects sellers or miners of Hashpower with buyers of Hashpower. It is one of the safest crypto exchanges and mining platforms and is secured by two-factor authentication, SSL, and TLS encrypted connection, with live monitoring. NiceHash uses the Lightning Network node to make its operations more scalable. NiceHash is not your traditional cryptocurrency exchange. With NiceHash, buyers select the cryptocurrency they want to mine and a pool on which they want to mine, and then they set the price that they are willing to pay for it and place the order. This order is then forwarded to everyone who is connected to NiceHash with NiceHash Miner or other mining hardware. Miners in the selected pools will then receive the order and provide computing power, or hash power, to fulfill the buyer's orders, and then they get paid for doing so. Instead of a crypto exchange, NiceHash provides a live hash power marketplace where you can buy and sell hash power. There are several different programs and bots that you can use when mining through NiceHash. Depending on the type of miner you'll be, you can either use the NiceHash official miner or the quick miner. You can also use the NiceHash Linux-based operating system for more advanced mining farms, and download the NiceHash bot for automated order management. To view the mining software and tools, click on the More button in the top right-hand corner of your screen and select Miners and Tools. If you are new to mining, we would recommend reading the introductory guides, and you can find these resources under the mining section of the menu. You can also read the guide on buying Hashpower. If you are joining NiceHash because you wanted to buy Hashpower, simply create an account, fund it, and head over to the marketplace. NiceHash created the original algorithms and mining software used on this platform, and provides solutions for both CPU, GPU, and ASIC miners, where usability and accessibility are prioritized. You can view the algorithms in more detail by clicking on Algorithms under the Mining menu. There is also a mobile application that you can use to manage your accounts and crypto wallets, and monitor and configure your mining rigs with ease. This application can be downloaded for free from Google Play or the Apple App Store. There are also several widgets that you can use to calculate profitability and keep track of halving and forking with the Crypto Countdown tool. We also recommend subscribing to the Nice Talk community platform, where you can watch talks with guests and industry experts to gain exclusive insights and tips. You will be able to watch all the new and previous episodes by clicking on Nice Talk under the company menu. What makes NiceHash unique is that you can create organizations for your mining systems. Organizations allow you to organize your NiceHash activity, such as mining, trading, and more between multiple users, and set different permission levels, which makes it so much easier to organize your workflow and delegate tasks. This way of mining also keeps your personal crypto investments separate from company investments, and every part of the NiceHash platform can be used in an organization. Before you can start trading or staking on NiceHash, you will need to create an account. You can easily create an account in a few simple steps. Firstly, open the NiceHash homepage and then click on the Get Started button. Enter your email address and choose a strong password for your account. Next, verify your email address. Once your account is verified and complete, you can either download the software, configure your mining rig and join a pool, or you can fund your account and place your first Hashpower order. NiceHash accounts work in tiers, and all tiers can access the NiceHash wallet, use mining software, and trade on the NiceX exchange. But only Tier 1 and Tier 2 accounts can use the Hashpower marketplace. If you are a seller or miner of hashing power, you will get your mining payments through the NiceHash BTC or Bitcoin wallet address. From this address, you will be able to withdraw your funds to any Bitcoin wallet of your choice, or you can exchange your funds using the NiceHash exchange. If you are a buyer of hashing power, you will be able to use NiceHash internal wallet addresses for deposits and withdrawals. If you are a part of an organization, you can also withdraw and deposit funds from and to the organization wallet if you have permission to do so. In order to buy Hashpower on NiceHash, simply create an account and open the live marketplace. If you want to buy, sell, and trade crypto, we recommend using the NiceX exchange instead. Now that your account is set up and ready, if you need assistance with anything else, you can contact the NiceHash support team. We also recommend visiting the support center to view guides and tutorials on creating and managing your account, making deposits and withdrawals, and everything else you would need to know about the mining methods and software. There are plenty of guides on different methods of mining, and you can also read through the guide on buying Hashpower if you are new to this. So what do we like about NiceHash? You do not have to be a miner to earn passive income with NiceHash. If you have more than 100,000 followers on social media, NiceHash will reward you generously for bringing new users to the NiceHash platform through the affiliate mining program. If you have the hardware to provide computing power and you'd like to earn passive income, why not do it through NiceHash? All you need to do is create a NiceHash account, download the software, configure your hardware, and choose a mining pool. It's that simple. If you are interested in mining, buying Hashpower, and buying cryptocurrencies, we recommend using both the NiceHash mining software as well as the NiceX exchange. The NiceX exchange was launched in 2019 by the NiceHash team, and it is a traditional cryptocurrency exchange that offers more than 60 cryptocurrencies. NiceHash has really gone above and beyond in giving crypto enthusiasts what they need, and we admire the innovation and dedication that this company has. If you are interested, be sure to open your NiceHash account today and join one of the most innovative mining platforms in the industry. And that is our overview of NiceHash. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comments section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. And that's it from me for now. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.